Today I'm unboxing this acrylic display case, and in it you have the setup manual, how to install it. So these are all the pieces that you're going to need when you install it. So before we install this, I have to wipe all this down and then I'll put them together. So I'm just removing the film. After you finish cleaning it, you want to remove all the film. So you can see all the film has been taken out. So as you can see, this acrylic display is very transparent. You can see how transparent it is as I'm showing you. Very transparent, and it has 2 tier levels with a door. You see how the door opens? And then I also installed the stairs. So the stairs are removable. So you can remove the stairs. I can take out the stairs in case I don't want the stairs in there. I can take out the stairs very easily if you don't want to put the stairs in there and just have a plain area. So you can have a plain area, you can have one with stairs, and also it's easy to clean. So it comes with this cleaning thing, so you can just easily just wipe it down, and you see it cleans really well. Another plus for this tiered acrylic display is that it comes with lights. Look at it, I just installed the lights and it makes the display look even more elegant. You can see how beautiful the light just gives it a nice glow. And even at night, like if I turn off my lighting, you can see it even gives it even better lighting. So you see how beautiful it looks when there's no light turned on. It gives it a very nice look. And I removed the stairs from the bottom area so that you all can see how it looks.